Imagine, if you will, a universe where Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, spins twice as fast on its axis. How would this altered reality impact the planet and its environment? Currently, Mercury takes its sweet time to complete a single rotation, requiring about 59 Earth days. This snail-paced spin results in a world of extremes. On one side, the sun bakes the surface to a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit, while the dark side plummets to a bone-chilling negative 290 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, let's venture into the realm of the hypothetical. If Mercury were to double its rotational speed, completing a full turn in just under 30 Earth days, there would be a domino effect of changes. Firstly, the faster rotation would distribute heat more evenly across the planet's surface. The scorching day and freezing night would give way to a more temperate climate. The sparse and thin atmosphere might also see a shift, with potentially stronger winds redistributing heat more efficiently. Mercury's surface, currently marked by craters and scarps much like our moon, could also see some changes. Erosion processes could become more pronounced, potentially altering the appearance of these features over time. The increased frequency of sunrise and sunset could affect the formation and behavior of surface materials, including the cooling and contraction of the planet's rocky surface. The magnetosphere, Mercury's protective shield against solar wind, might also feel the effects of increased rotation. Changes in the strength and configuration of Mercury's magnetic field could impact how well it deflects solar wind. This interaction could become more dynamic, potentially leading to changes in the planet's exosphere and the loss of volatile elements. Speculating about Mercury rotating twice as fast isn't just an exercise in imagination. It allows us to delve into the complexities of planetary dynamics and their potential consequences. While these changes are not something we can observe directly in our solar system, theoretical studies provide valuable insights into how planetary bodies behave under different conditions. Mercury continues to captivate us, with its slow rotation and extreme environment. Whether we're pondering hypothetical scenarios or studying its current state, this little planet serves as an intriguing subject of scientific inquiry and exploration.